Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, May 14th, 2021. It is Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that the blue whale is the animal with the largest heart? It's true. There's our Fun Fact Friday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast we'll have Pop-Tart, and for lunch will be chicken bites. Monday for breakfast we'll have chicken biscuit, and for lunch maybe pepperoni pizza. Birthdays. First of all, today's birthdays are Neela Harris and Deanna Chung. Happy birthday to those two girlies. Hope you have a great day. Also, we want to wish a really big birthday, a late belated birthday, to Miss Graham, who celebrated really hard yesterday, as she should, and enjoyed all of her birthday festivities. So we will continue to wish her happy birthday today, since we forgot to mention her yesterday. So happy belated birthday also to Miss Graham. Now, this weekend, we also have a few birthdays. Malachi Boone Glover, Sanaa Green, Cash Sanders, and Aiden Henry will also be celebrating this weekend. A couple of announcements. PST, all documentation should be uploaded and complete prior to 5/19. Device drop-off. The Monday device drop-off has been canceled, so we will not be having the Monday device drop-off. Our device drop-off will be on that 26th, the Wednesday. So we will not be having the Monday device drop-off, only the Wednesday. Late duty today is Miss White. We have some important dates. May 17th, Monday, all the library books are due. May 25th is our 5th grade transition program at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th is the end of the year celebrations. May 26th, last day for students, which is a half day. May 26th, remote student drop-off, device drop-off, 8 to 11. And May 28th is the last day for teachers. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd.